Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy egg chops or Scotch eggs in another name. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need a half a kg of mincemeat. You're also going to need 2 slices of breads, a bit of coriander leaves, grated green bell pepper, grated carrots, 1 lime or you can use a lemon. Then I have different types of spices, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garamasala, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and lastly you will need 6 boiled eggs. So the first step, you're going to place a medium-large pot on a medium heat. Then add the mincemeat. Then you're going to add all the spices mentioned in the beginning. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Then squeeze 1 lime or you can use a lemon. And mix everything well and nice and let the mincemeat to cook on a medium heat. Once the mincemeat is almost ready, you're going to add grated carrot and the bell pepper with the coriander leaves and stir well and let the meat to cook until it's nicely cooked. Once the mincemeat is nicely cooked and completely dry like this, then your mincemeat is ready and remove it out from the heat. Place the meat in a medium-large bowl. Using a stick like this, you're going to mash the meat until the meat becomes soft. After mashing the mincemeat, you're going to take 2 slices of bread and drizzle a bit of water and squeeze the water out from the bread as you can see in the video. Using a kitchen towel or a clean cloth, dry the breads completely and then place them in the meat and mix everything well and nice. And your mincemeat mixture should be like this, that you can able to make a ball. Take a small amount of the mincemeat, then take the egg and place it in the middle and shape it into a round ball as you can see in the video step by step. And our Scotch eggs are ready as you can see in the video. Repeat the same process until you're completely done with all the eggs and the meat. And it's high time to deep fry our Scotch eggs in the oil. I'm going to use paneer meal or you can use some breadcrumbs. Pour a bit on a plate. Then you're going to take 2 eggs and sprinkle a bit of salt and mix the eggs very well. The second option, you can deep fry the Scotch eggs without doing this process, but make sure the Scotch eggs are nicely firm so that they won't burst in the oil. The next step, you're going to place some oil in a pan or a pot and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to take one Scotch egg at a time, dip it into the egg wash, then coat it with the paneer meal, or you can use some breadcrumbs. Then dip it into the oil slowly by slowly. Repeat the same process until you're done. Deep fry the Scotch eggs on a low-medium heat so that they can bake inside and to have an amazing color. Once your Scotch eggs are nicely fried and have this amazing color, then your Scotch eggs are ready, and remove them out from the oil and place them on a plate. And our Scotch eggs are ready, as you can see in the video. Once you've removed the Scotch eggs out from the oil, let them to cool down, then cut them into two. Serve with some lemon and some sauce and enjoy your Scotch eggs. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of snacks, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.